Now, looking at the post-war development of some of the armour, this is an American tank that we've got coming on now. This is the American M60. Now, if you look inside the museum, you'll see that Pershing tank that becomes a developmental model for so many of this American series of tank, M47, M48, and then this M60. The American idea post-World War II is you evolve your tanks. So there's a lot very similar in their design. What really happens is the tanks just seem to get bigger with bigger guns on. The overall shapes and much that goes into it stayed the same. And what you've got here is a huge cast turret. This is all steel still. It's got a British gun that was put on the M60. It's a 105 L7 gun that was designed to be put on the Centurion tank. The Centurion was upgraded. It started way back with a 17-pounder, then a 20-pounder, then this 105 gun. Why everybody liked that gun? The Americans use it on this tank, the Germans use it on the Leopard, is for the size of gun, it can fire a range of ammunition types, and again, with discarding sabot, they started firing fin rounds, darts out the end of it. Very, very effective gun. And it actually made things like the Conqueror tank, the M103, the American tank redundant because the gun was so effective. This particular M60, it's in the paint scheme of the unit that was actually at the time it was in Europe by the Americans, being used as part of